Morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the ELISA. So ELISA means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is the abbreviation. So the ELISA, what is the ELISA? What is the importance of the ELISA? What is the introduction of the ELISA? Now we discuss. So enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, it is a non-isotopic immunoassay, but RIA it is a isotopic immunoassay. It is a non-isotopic immunoassay. It is a non-isotopic immunoassay. So in place of the this one is a replaced with the RIA. It replaced with the RIA. So why? Because of RIA it is a isotopic immunoassay. Now ELISA is a non-isotopic radioimmunoassay. So the ELISA is it is a very sensitive ELISA. It is a very sensitive compared than the RIA. And the next one, in addition, there is no risk here. With the using of the ELISA, there is no risk, and as well as the radiations, no radiation hazards in the ELISA. So what is the principle of the ELISA? So what is the principle of ELISA? ELISA is based on the immunochemical principle of antigen antibody reactions. ELISA is based on the immunochemical principles of antigen antibody reactions. Immunochemical principles of antigen antibody reactions. So the ELISA, it is for example, so this is the first antibodies. The first antibodies is going to react with the protein molecules. In addition of the protein molecules, these two are the protein molecules. Protein molecules are addition to this reaction. So means, so one is attached here, one more attached here. Okay, so then it react with them. So this is the enzymes. So sorry, this one is the enzyme. It is the second antibody. So these are the bind to the so these are first antibodies, second antibodies, enzymes, and this is the protein molecules. So the protein molecule bind with the second antibodies bind with the second antibodies with the enzymes also, with the enzymes here also, with the enzymes. So after that it finally produces this is the substrate, this is the product. So finally substrate converts to product. So this is a diagrammatic representation of the ELISA. So these are primary antibodies, This is the secondary antibodies. This is the proteins. Finally, enzymes also finally produce the substrate converts to product. This is the principle of the ELISA. And the next one, the antibody against the protein to be determined the antibody against the protein to be determined is fixed on an innate the solid such as it is fixed an innate solid such as polystyrene. It is such as the polystyrene. So antibody against the protein to be determined by the fixed innate solid, so such as the polystyrene, and the next one, the biological sample containing the one protein that is estimated by apply on the antibody coated surface also. So estimated, the protein to be estimated is applied on the surface of the antibody coating surface. And the next one, the protein antibody complexes, the protein plus antibody complexes is reacted with the second protein specific antibody only. So first of all, these are the bind to the specific area only here. Then the antibody protein react with the second antibody with the enzyme covalently linked also. These are bind with the second antibody with the enzyme covalently. Must be easily the produce the preferable color products or produces. So it produces the color products or produces. Finally produce the color products or produces. So these color products are produces like peroxidase, amylase enzymes, and alkaline phosphatase enzyme. So these are all the enzymes is we are using. So it produces the finally color products are produces. After washing of the unbound antibody linked enzyme, the enzyme bound to the second antibody complexes is acid. So after washing, it's the unbound antibody linked plus enzyme is bound to the second antibody. It converted to the second antibody. So the enzyme activity is determined by the action of the substrate to form a product. Color product is produces. Finally to produce a color substances is produces. So these are the related to the concentration of the protein by being estimated. So here proteins are estimated in this here. So what is the applications of the ELISA? So simply here so this is primary antibodies react with the proteins in specific area. After that it is reacted with the second antibody with the enzymes. So the enzyme linked aminosorbent assay, it is finally produces a colored compound. That colored compound is easily determined with the using of the ELISA technique. So what is the application? So the ELISA is the determination of the different type small quantity of the proteins, hormones, antigens, antibodies is determined. Some biological substances also is determined. And the next one, it is used for the pregnancy test for the detecting. It is a determination of the pregnancy test. And the next one is determination of the HCG. HCG means human chronic gonadotropin hormone is determined. And the next one, it is mainly used for the diagnosis of AIDS also. It is a determination of the AIDS also. This is about the ELISA. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.